Starting the business from Jiguang Street in Taichung, JNG Fried Chicken keeps providing delicious fried chicken products with local heartwarming flavor. By serving fried chicken with a human touch, we bring customers warm and happy memories. With insistence on quality, we are dedicated to promoting the good taste of our signature deep fried chicken around the world. With the know-how about business operations accumulated for decades, we successfully opened hundreds of branches globally. Since 1973, we have kept growing and growing. And we have already become the #1 brand of Taiwanese-style fried chicken in Taiwan. Continuous efforts for development and innovation are made for providing more types of food products. Decades of experience in business operations and unique technologies help us to establish solid brand values and maintain the quality of products. With rigorous control on food ingredients, logistics, quality, and the patented fryers that can maintain higher oil temperature in the top layer and the lower and the bottom layer, we are able to make the most crisp and juicy signature deep fried chicken after orders on site. Our headquarters also establish many different SOPs that set strict regulations for different aspects in the production procedure. Our branches opened in the first-class department stores and commercial districts in Taiwan. Our brand power are the focuses of the media, and we thus become the first choice for collaboration. We have our base in Taiwan and pursue opportunities in the world. We would like to share the good taste of Taiwanese-style fried chicken with all people worldwide.